Welcome back to another YouTube video, you guys. I got another unboxing with a little guest named Shadiah trying to peep up in the screen. Anyway, let's unbox this and reveal some high-end designer sneakers, you guys. Right, I got my scissors in hand. Let's go. Oh, that was easy. No bubble tape, but the box is in really good condition. And we all know what these are, Yeezys. I am jumping into a line of Yeezys, you guys. I only have one pair. This will be officially my second pair, and I'm in love with the zebra print. So let's see what these are about and what color these are. And yes, this is from a private vendor. That vendor right there, check them out because they have lovely high-end luxury items. You're looking for the best sneaker site? I might know one. I do. I think this shoe in here is gonna be one of the great summer shoes that I'm gonna love to wear every day in this hot, sunny weather. Show you the insole. Look at that insole. Got the logo on there, got it on the back. It is a little bit thin and flappy, but it is well cut and it does have all the proper writing on there. And look at the breathing holes that they put inside of the shoe. Yes, I understand that. That is great. Great detail. And I love this little Adidas mark that they put there. It makes it more stiff. And then you go deep in here. You got the cover around the shoestring so it'll protect the hole so it won't rip easily, you know, it'll hold up. And look at that shoe. Isn't that beautiful? Now the laces really match it really well. They didn't come with an extra pair of laces, but that's fine, you know what I mean? So Nicekicksshop provide me these wonderful shoes, you guys. That's their information right there. Don't forget to check out their website, you guys. They have so many wonderful high-end luxury, good quality, affordable price items on there. Yes, yes, indeed. So I just got done looking on their website, you guys. Nicekicksshop.com. That one right there is just standing out to me. I have to get it. I want it. Look at the price. Look at the style. I gotta get it. Why not? So yes, you know, when I have questions for this company and I want a fast reply, I always go to their WhatsApp. That's what the app looks like on WhatsApp. So you can definitely go on there and they're really nice. So they'll reply to any of your questions. If I'm not answering all of them, if you want to see certain things more close up or anything, go on their WhatsApp. This company was so nice. They offered me a discount code to give you guys. That is so nice of them. So make for sure you use that discount code. Yes, use it so you can save a little bit of money. Why not? I do not get commission off of this. I'm just trying to help you guys to save a little bit of money. I just got done trying these shoes on and they feel so good. I don't know, something about this specific type of shoe, my foot just loves it. It just it just molds my foot so well, you guys. Like, my foot doesn't shift. I feel like I could rock these in the gym. I could wear these every day. They go with everything. I could dress them down, dress them up. They're extremely light and comfortable, and the color is beautiful, and they're easy to keep clean. Yes, these can go in the washing machine, but not the dryer. I would let it air dry, but I give these like definitely a 10 out of a 10. Yes, a dime piece. Why not? So back to these shoes. As you see, it's no logo, nothing in the back. I did not purchase these. These are sent it to me for a review, you guys, and that's what we're here doing right now. I don't purchase replicas, but if I did, this would be a nice pair to purchase. I mean, the price, the detail, the quality, everything is there on point. Let me just show you guys close up what I'm talking about. Like, look at that. Look at that craftsmanship. Look at that fine detail. Look at those high-end quality materials that they're using. Pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making videos like this. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. So give this video a thumbs up. I love you, love you, love you. And subscribe to my channel because I have more high-end luxury designer items and contacts too. You like my eyes? You like my eyes? They are from Olin's and they're natural brown, and my eyes are brown, but I wanted to give you more brown. All right, peace, love.